Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeORM. Today we are going to learn about the working with the relations in the query builder. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the TypeORM, when working with the relations between the entities, the query builder provides powerful tool for efficiently handling complex queries that involves relationships. Example, one to many, many to one, and many to many. These relationships can be joined in the query and the data can be fetched dynamically based on the specific conditions. One to one, a relation where one entity is related to the exactly one instance of another entity. One to many, a relation where one entity can have the many related entities. Many to many, a relation where many entities are related to the many entities. Many to one, a relation where many entities can be related to the only one entity. Okay, so working with the relations in the query builder, let's have an example. Let's do all the things in the example to demonstrate working with the relations in the query builder. Let's assume we have two entities, that is user and the post, where a user can have the multiple post, one to many relationship. We will see how the query data involving this relation in the query builder. So first of all, let's create the user entity with ID, name, email and the post. Okay, and here we have the user entity already created. Here you can see that. Okay, just word wrap this. Okay, import post, we have the user, export with ID, name, email and the post. Here you can see the one to many relationship already built in. Okay, so here you can see that. Now we have a post entity. Okay, so here you can see that here a user can have many post entities. Each post belongs to one user and this creates a one to many relationships from user to the post. Step 2, using the query builder with relationships. Okay, this is first one. Now we can using the query builder with relationships. We can use the query builder to perform the operations involving these related entities, selected related entities. Okay, so here we have, first of all we have to do the connection with the entity and the user and the entity we have to import first. Okay, this is the default connection that we have to create. After this we have to go with the user entity. Okay, so here we have a user repository. Okay, let's go to the index.ts file, and I think let's comment this, delete this. Okay, and let's add this. Okay, so here we have to fetch users along with their posts using the left join. Okay, so here we go with our create query builder with user, left join and select user dot posts. If I go over here, we have a post dot user, and in this we have a user dot posts. Okay, many to one, and here we have user.post post join the post relationship. Okay, so here we have a relationship with the post, right, where user is active. Make sure is active is there. I think is active is not there, so we have to remove this. Otherwise you can make it like where email is there, where name is there. Okay, so this is currently not available, so I can comment this and get all the records. Okay, npm run dev. Okay, so the record will fetch with the left join, right? Okay, next one, explanation. The left join and the select user.post this performs the left join on the post relationship of the user. The post is the alias. Okay, the post is the alias of the related post entity. Okay, get many, the fetches the users along with the associated post. The results will be the list of the user entities with each their corresponding post entities. Filtering based on the related entities. So let's filter out the data. So here we have the filtration part. Okay, so let's add this filtration. So here we have the filter. So create query builder, left join user.post, where post or title is equal to title my first post. So we are going to filter out the data. Okay, so let's try to run this. We don't have this title. Let's go and see in the pg admin what exactly the title is. So here we have in the REST API, here we have to go with the post, right? So let's view word wrap all. So we have first post and the second post. So let's add this. No issues. First post, save this. Let's try to filter out the data. Okay, one record. Okay, so this is done. Okay, next, moving to the next one, explanation, where post or title, my first filter out users based on the condition on the post entity in the title case. This query will return the users who have the post with the title my first post. Okay, now sorting. You can also sort the results based on the fields related identities. For example, if you want to get the users ordered by most recent post created, so you can add the order by descending. Okay, post created at descending order. You can just fetch this one. Okay. Next, we have this one order by is done, aggregating the related data. You can also use the query builder to aggregate data from the related entities. For example, counting the number of posts each user have. So this will help you to count that one. Let's use this. So here we go with this one. So create query builder with user. Left one user.post post alias. We don't need to select the post here. Select user.id. So we are getting only the ID. Add select count. We're selecting count post.id post count. As a post count we have mentioned, and group by user.id and get from any. Okay, let's save this. Let's run. So count will come. Okay, this user id 2 post count is 1, user id 3 is a post count is 1. Okay, so this is how you can also get this data. Okay, so this is how the aggregation part is done, aggregating the related data. Okay, explanation, add select here, add aggregation. Okay, so this is the aggregation count of the number of posts each user has. Group by groups the results by user ID to get the post count per user. This will return each user's ID and the number of posts they have. 5. Updating related entities. So you can update also. So here you can see that we have a update user. So if you have to make the user object, okay, and where condition is there. So this is how you can see. This is long query for that. Okay, query builder. Let's use this. So here you can see we have a subquery. So we have to include this is active is not there, I suppose. So it does not exist because it says that we don't able to add this. We have to do something. We have a subquery. If it does not exist in the query, so I think we have to use the subquery on the top of it. So here we have a subquery. We create a subquery to find the users more than 5 posts and then use it in a where clause to deactivate those users. Okay, because activate part is not there, I haven't created that field, so we will discuss later on the things. Okay, summary, TypeORM query builder allows complex queries involving relationships between entities. Using the left join select, where, order by, group by, other methods, you can easily join related tables, filter based on the related data, sort results, even aggregate the data across the entities. So this query builder give you the more flexibility regarding the queries, which we can use it and get the data required data accordingly. Some of the key features you can perform with the relations include the joining, filtering, sorting, aggregating, and updating, which we have done. We have a subqueries, so we can learn in the subqueries later on, like how we can add the subqueries. More things related to the query will come up. Okay, so this is on the basis of the relations that we can use in the TypeORM query builder. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.